Okay, we've got a BMW 4 Series. I've also had this on BMW Minis as well, so it's a little issue, but your indicator, maybe your brake light stops working on the back. You think it's a bulb, and it's not. When you actually check it, pin is burnt out on that, and inside there, if you can see that, it's gone. BMW actually do a repair kit for this, far cheaper way. I think the new one of these is about 28 quid and £11 for the repair kit for that. So with the repair kit you get a new plug, they're all okay. It's the earth wire that always seems to burn on these as well, the brown one. I've actually cut it a bit short, it's just up in there. But the way to do these, you don't have to chop all the wires off. When you get the plug, I'll try and hold this. You can see, this is the plug. This little section here, if you move that out, clip it out, and then in each one of these you just clip. I can't get that one out because that's the one that would burn. There, you just flick each one out, and each of these will come out, so you can leave the wires on for those, and then just put the one on for the one that's burnt. Cut it off there, and then just put one of these little connectors back on. Put the little green bit out of here to hold it first in, and clip them round, and then literally in reverse just push them all back in here, and then you slide this back. It's from the other side, isn't it? That slide this back in, helps lock those pins back in. You do have to just get them off the clips, but they do just come out, so you've only got to replace the one that's burnt then. And once you've done that, there's your plug back on, new one, all the little connectors in, plug it back on, away you go. There's the new bit there. That's a part, this is for a 4 Series. That's the new little bulb holder part, and that's a repair kit and the plug with these bits in for the backlight, and that's how you repair one of those. It's not difficult. Okay, hope this helps a few people.